Today we're taking a look at my 2022 Peloton bike. I've owned this puppy for about 2 years with no major mechanical issues from the factory, from use. The only thing I've had to change is a routine maintenance item, which is changing the pedals on the bike, which is more maintenance than a Land Rover, Range Rover would see during a typical lease. Taking a step back at this bike, it's pretty compact in its space in the apartment. It's finished all in this matte black all over the place, so no piano black materials to get finger stains on. Plenty of Peloton badging here, there, even on this mat. So much like a BMW M340i, you won't forget what kind of device this is. Now this fits pretty well in the space. I'm 5'10" and I can definitely get on this bike no problem. Seat is very adjustable, lots of adjustment up and down, front and back, and the handlebars raise up and down very easily. This does require a standard wall outlet to plug into. We have it plugged in behind our dresser. Much like an EV, it does require a plug to go anywhere, unfortunately. So let's get on to this Peloton, talk about its features, take it for a ride. So up front, we do see this massive LCD touchscreen. I think it's about 24 inches. Say hello to myself. And much like the EQS from Mercedes, Peloton is trying to compete with the biggest screen in the market. The seat, as I mentioned, is pretty firm, but once you get going, you have adjustment options for your resistance. So let's take a ride and show you what this Peloton is like. So getting into your Peloton, first thing you want to do is boot it up. Much like any modern Toyota product, the technology is a little bit slow and it takes a while to boot up. You're brought up to this main infotainment. Pretty good response and lots of built-in apps and options. And on our main ride screen, I like to do a 20-minute ride. And we got a metal ride today. And I'm quite a metalhead, so let's get down to it.
20-minute metal ride. Let's rock our damn socks off today.
Oh, yeah.
We're going to catch up for 30 seconds. I want 100 to 109. 5, 4.
All right, we're going to speed up.
3, 2.
Sport mode engaged. Whoa!
30 seconds, 100, 109. Pick the pace up. Let's rock. Hit it.
All right. So these rides kind of consist of a combination of speed, pushes or resistant pushes. We will get out of the saddle at some point. Some rides are theme-based. Whew. And I always love having an instructor to listen to. Tell me what to do. Make a playlist for me. And now we're getting another speed push. This infotainment allows you to see what music you're listening to, the artist, and some of your friends you can high five. They're all on workout streaks and a first ride. Nice leaderboard over here. Ooh, 140 people here and I'm only in 93rd place. Time to catch up. Halfway through, we're popping out of the saddle. I like to have heavy resistance while I do this.
40 to 50 resistance.
Best song ever. Oh man, I'm excited now. System of a Down.
50 to 60. But it's tough because you're here for a metal ride. You're here to go.
Much like how nobody wants to drive a Corvette and be seen in public. Everyone doesn't want to admit that they're a Chop Suey fan.
Drive forward. Whatever you want, now go for it. 60 to 75 cadence, 40 to 50 resistance.
Oh yeah, he gets it.
50 resistance.
Woo!
You don't want to be stuck doing the same stuff every day.
Yeah. All right, last minute of class. I'm sweaty. I love these rock rides.
Right now, 120, all or nothing. Lay it out. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Easy pace back down 100. 20 to 30. Hit to the second recovery.
All right. Trip over, ride over. Let's see how far we went. 5.5 miles. This bike doesn't take me anywhere. Happy April Fools, guys.